Hello my dear friends, welcome you all to PPT e-Pathshala. Today we will learn how you can present your slide like this using slide zoom. And if you don't subscribe our channel, then please subscribe it for regular updates. Let's start. I have already took these few images that I am going to use in my presentation. So first let's copy this and on the second slide change the background to black color and paste this image here. Then insert a rectangle, arrange it on the slide, make the outline color white and increase the width. And fill it with picture fill. I have already copied an image, so just copied this. Then give some inner shadow effect and increase the blurriness. Then insert a text box and then insert your text. And then insert the separate text box for the main heading. And choose this word art style. Then make the text outline black. And put the shadow effect to black. And I am here changing the angle. Then go to text effects and choose any effect from here. I am choosing wave up. You can also change the direction of this text or the text effect from these yellow points. Whether you want to make it more wave or less, you can change it from here. And again copy any picture and then picture fill this text. Then increase the width of the text as you find suitable according to your presentation. Align the text on the slide. I am also adding some icon here. And then go to Insert tab and select icons. Search for a stamp and select this icon. Make it no outline and fill with white color. Resize it and give the outer shadow effect. Now add a new slide and copy the picture from first slide and then paste it here. Then duplicate this slide and insert a text box. Align it. Insert your content. Now for the slide zoom effect, go to the main slide of your presentation, then go to insert and select the zoom effect. Select the slide from here that you want to link with this. Align the picture here. Then we will group the icon and the image. Then on third slide, put the transition effect after so that we will get the next slide in just a second. Then again insert some slide and add image to that. Then link those slides with your second image. And group the icon and the image here. Then group all these icons. Go to animation tab and put the fly in effect. Set it after previous. and then again go to next slide, go to transition and change the start slide from after. Replace the content on another slide. First ungroup the all elements and then make your changes. And then again group all the elements and put the animation effect. In the same way, make as many as slides you want, and in this way you will get an amazing presentation. Thank you everyone for watching the video till end. If you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.